Phil started this ride at the Ribble factory, which is about 8 miles away from our site at Fulwood. And Ribble were the bike company that sponsored us with 2 bikes.
Well done, Phil. Go on, straight on it.
This is Phil's epic ride, day 8, and this is his visit to our Fulwood depot. And here he had an amazing reception, as you're about to see. As well as that, we were treated to a bit of lunch, and also he had a sports massage laid on for him as well, which was amazing and just what he needed. So thank you very much to everybody at Fulwood for such a great welcome.